Hello, everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to start a new grammar lesson, that is preposition. So, very first, it's important to understand what is preposition. So, preposition. Preposition is a word or phrase that is used before a noun or pronoun to show place, time, direction, etc. Examples: in, on, into, under, before, of, for, to. Okay, let's move further. In earlier videos, I have already dealt with the prepositions like in, on, between. I shared the link of this particular video in the description box. If you want to revise, you can click on the link and revise it. Okay. Now we will move forward to understand how we use preposition of and for. Okay. Let's begin. Very first, look at these examples carefully. These biscuits are for you. Don't touch it. That's the cap of my friend's sister. Children, did you notice? These two sentences, these biscuits are for you, and don't touch it, that's the hat of my friend's sister. You have two prepositions. First is for and second one is of. How the use of these two differ, I'm going to explain it. Okay? Let's try to understand use of. Okay? Of, used for belonging to, relating to, or connected with. Example: the secret of this game is that you can't ever win. Next one: the judges were the old wise men of the town. So here, as you can see, secret is related to the game and men belongs to the town. Understood? So, secret of this game and men of the town. So, in this way, we can use preposition of. Now, we will learn the next use of preposition of. Of used to indicate reference. I got married in the summer of 2000. This is a picture of my family. I got a discount of 10% on the purchase. So here of is used to indicate reference. Okay, summer of 2000, of my family, and of 10% on the purchase. Of is also used to indicate an amount or number. Examples: I drank 3 cups of milk. A large number of people gathered to protest. He got a perfect score of 5 on his writing assignment. So here you can see 3, a large number of, and score of 5. Here you can see how of is used for numbers. I think you understood how we use of. Now is the turn to understand how we use for. Let's begin. For as a preposition we used to indicate the use of something. Examples: I baked a cake for your birthday. She has been studying hard for the final exam. So here in these two sentences you can see the use of something, like cake is for birthday. Okay, so what is the use of cake? It is for birthday. And she has been studying hard. Why is she studying hard? For the final exam. So somehow it shows the use of something in particular way. Next use of for. So it is also used to mean because of. We have some examples. I am so happy for you. We feel deeply sorry for your loss. For this reason, I have decided to quit this job. So as you can see, all these sentences somehow tells you what is the reason behind it. Okay, I'm so happy. Why she is happy? Because of the reason of you. Okay, we feel deeply sorry. Why? Because someone lost something. Okay, then the next one, For is used to indicate time or duration. Examples: I attended the university for 1 year only. This is all I have for today. So for is also used to indicate time. Okay, specifically time and duration. So like here 1 year and today shows the time or duration. Now let's revise. The bell was used for a very special purpose. The horse served his master for many years. The word for in these two sentences conveys two different meanings. In the first sentence, for shows the purpose, while in the second sentence, it shows length of time. So, as you can see in these two examples, very first for is used for purpose and second for used for years, or you can say time duration. Okay. Now we will move forward for understanding what is the use of. Now look at these two examples. First one, the judges were the old wise men of the town. And second one, the merchant took good care of the horse. So as you can see in the first sentence, of means belonging to, while in the second sentence, of refers to the relationship between the merchant and the horse. Now just open page number 96. Top of the page you have one exercise, join and make sentences. Let's do that. So very first you pause this video and try to do this exercise yourself, and then after you will match your answers. I think you have attempted this exercise yourself. Now just match the answers. I am reading this book for pleasure. This cooker is for boiling rice. Third one, Raju is going to his village for few days. Fourth one, this knife is for slicing tomatoes. And last one, my friend lived here for a wedding. Children, here if you matched Raju is going to his village for pleasure and my friend lived here for a few days, that is also correct. So don't worry about it. Okay. Now just move forward for the next practice exercise. Let's read instructions fast. Use of or for whichever is correct in the blanks below. So first one, the teacher has got a new globe for us. Yes. Second, a friend of mine has a rubber tree in his garden. Now third one, this is a book on physics. It is meant for grown-ups. Now next one, Hema is the monitor of our class. And fifth one, the door of the safe is open. Please lock it. So as you can see, we have used point number 1 and 3 for. Why? Because it shows the use of something or the purpose of something. Okay. Now it's time to understand why we use in point number 2, 4 and 5 of. So let's understand. Look at this slide. So as you can see in point number 2, a friend of mine. So friend is related to me. So that's why of is used. And in point number 4, Hema is monitor of our class. So Hema is related to or monitor related to class. So that's why of is used here. The last one, for which the door belongs. So the door belongs to the safe or it is related to the safe. So that's why we used here of. Okay, I think you understood. Now let's move further. Let's do the another exercise. Use of or for in the blanks. Before doing it together, I'll give you some time. You just pause the video and try to do this exercise yourself. And after a while, you will check your answer. Okay? So just pause the video and do your answer yourself. Yes, now I think you have done your work. Now let's do together. Captain Verma goes out for a long walk every morning. One of his friends also goes with him. They walk for 2 kilometers. Then they sit on a bench. Some of their friends also come and join them. One day they said to Captain Verma, "Sir, your hair is grey, but your beard is black. We often wonder why it is so." Captain Verma thought for a moment. Then he said, "My beard is 16 years younger than the hair on my head." Let me explain further. So here very first we use for. Why? Because it's used for a purpose. Okay, and then next they walk for 2 kilometers. So 2 kilometers, and Mr. Verma thought for a moment. So 2 kilometers and movement shows the time or duration. So that's why we used for. Okay, I think you understood. Now let's understand why we use of here. Okay. So as you can see, one of his friends. So one of his friends somehow shows the relation between friends and him. Okay. And next one, some of their friends. Some somehow shows you the amount. Okay. Some means kuch. So it means 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. So it somehow shows you the amount. Okay. So that's why here we used of. Now it's time to note down your homework. Your homework will be to write down these two exercises, exercises A and exercises B of page number 96 in your English notebook. Understood? So we will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep smiling, keep learning. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.